aeration tank, where we have biological treatment. We have oxygen, we have aerobic bacteria, and it will digest this biosolids there in that area. Now we'll come back from the effluent of this aeration tank. It will go to the MBR. This is like similar to just to physical treatment. Before we have here biological treatment. In the beginning, screening, it's called physical treatment, that we are just removing the solids or particles. But here, this part, it's biological treatment. Okay. This part, again, it is physical treatment. It's similar to the clarifiers or settling tank in the conventional STB. Just like just to remove the clean water. So we have also 3 streams here of the MBR system, hollow fiber type. So it's connected at the header. This header is go to the permeate or backwash pump. This, it will take the treated water before chlorination. So here in that part, we have this permeate pump. This permeate pump, it will take the water from here. It's like fiber, you know. Okay, so it will take the clean waters, then it will go to the chlorination and to TSE. Okay, in our STB for the MBR, no need for the filtration. You don't need for the sand filters because already this is better than sand filter. Yeah, like ultrafiltration, just to say. Okay. Now, also we have just again there is a solids coming, the treated solid from the MLSs, yeah, mixed liquid. So we have this is the sludge coming from the biological. We have 2 sets of the pump SAS, so 1 set for the SAS, another set for the MRAS, which is recirculation, because we have to return back the sludge to the aeration tank. And we have SAS, this SAS pump, it will work maybe 2